Welcome into the era of AI. Hello there and welcome. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to AIVOOV, which is another app that can generate voiceover for free. So without further ado, let's actually go ahead and explore this and get into some action. So here we are inside of Canva, and I want you to go to Apps and simply search for AIVOOV and go right here. Then click on Connect, so that you can connect your account by signing in. All right, so once you have signed in, you can actually go ahead and select a voice. So I'm going to leave the voice. And here, you can just go ahead and type in whatever it is you want it to generate. In my case, I can go back to one of those discussions, for instance. Say I want to add this particular voiceover about tigers. I'm just going to go back here and paste it in. And I'll just be going back and removing some extra stuff, generating the audio, right? In which case is going to generate the audio. Now we have 2,000 characters, which is much better than the other one, which only gave us 1,000. But here, first of all, you need to go to duration, expand, so that you can see the full audio. And now you can listen. We can listen to this.
Deep within the frozen wilderness, ice tigers roam. With eyes as cold as ice, they see through the blizzard. Silent hunters, they strike with precision and power. Masters of the frozen world, ice tigers reign supreme.
All right, so I hope you can go ahead and use this particular voice or voiceover tool in all of your future endeavors in Canva. Wishing you the best as always, Passive Income Gen Z signing out.